In the recent months or like year or so, artificial intelligence is learning a lot. It's almost like competing with us. But are you learning artificial intelligence with the same pace? Think about it and watch this video very carefully, as this could be your golden chance. Now friends, before I start, this video is not about artificial intelligence taking over the world and the software engineers like you and me should retire and do something else. This video is about a free learning opportunity that is coming your way, so watch this video till the very end. In the recent times, there has been incredible growth in the world of artificial intelligence. Now dozens of tools are coming every day: GPTs, LLMs, machine learning, robotics and whatnot. And I'm sure you must have heard about the Devin, which is the world's first AI software engineer. Yes, AI software engineer, artificial intelligence has come this far. And it's almost like every day I wake up, a few dozens of tools are added. Artificial intelligence is becoming smarter, it's learning at a lightning speed, but panic is not the solution, but learning is. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the Microsoft Challenge, using which you can earn a free certificate and can take a first step in building a great career in artificial intelligence. And this Microsoft Challenge, my friends, it is not just for the freshers, but also for the people who have some experience under their belt. There is something for you as well. So let's get started. So friends, this is the Microsoft Challenge that I'm talking about. It is from Microsoft Learn, and this is AI Skill Challenge. And friends, I'm getting a lot of questions and queries about the differences between Microsoft Learn Cloud Skill Challenge and the normal Microsoft certification exams. So many people are sort of confused because Microsoft Learn Cloud Skill Challenge is a rather new happening. So what I will do is to come up with a quick video explaining the differences between the both. But anyways, for now, let's start understanding this challenge here. Here you can see that Microsoft is saying that gaining AI skill can increase wages by an average of 21%. Now, on what basis Microsoft is saying that? That you can read by opening this link here. So on this link, you can understand everything. You can understand on what basis Microsoft is saying there can be a 21% of wages increase. But let me condense this report for you. It's a lengthy report. I cannot go through the entire report, but let me summarize this for you. So there are 4 basic points here. And the first one is complementarity in the skills. And the second, but the most important point in this report is AI skill value. And this one highlights that the AI skills are highly valuable because of their strong growth, which can increase the worker wages by an average of 21%. And the third key point in this report is skill investment. So it could be any type of investment. It could be the time investment that we do to learn new technologies. It could be the money investment that we invest in gaining new certifications. So any type of investment that we do to grow ourselves. And the last point in this report is policy implication. And this one tells you or suggests you that the policy and the practice should focus on personalized skills recommendation to reduce labor market mismatches. So this was the quick summary of this entire report. But the pivotal point is that the AI can help you grow your wages by 21%. Now coming back to the challenge, here you can read Microsoft is saying that whether you are a seasoned technology professional or just a starting out, this month-long immersive challenge will help you gain the skills, confidence and Microsoft credentials needed to excel in the era of AI. Hashtag learn Microsoft AI. So let's scroll a little bit more and really understand what exactly is the challenge. So here you can read choose your challenge. Now friends, really understand what exactly is the challenge, what are the exact terms and conditions, because the last video I posted, there were so many questions from viewers about the challenge, about the terms and conditions, why they're not getting the free certification or the LinkedIn premium voucher. There was so much confusion and the reason was simple. No one cared to go through the terms and condition, and that's why you didn't understand the challenge properly. So please don't do the same mistake this time. Understand the challenge and understand the terms and condition. I will help you break down the terms and condition in just a little while, but first let's understand what exactly is the challenge. So here you can read that Microsoft is saying that choose from the 4 cutting-edge AI topics. Each feature is a challenge with a selection of resources that will help you to succeed, including interactive Microsoft Learn community events, live and recording learning session delivered by AI experts, plus training and preparation resources to support you in earning your Microsoft credential. And by completing one of these challenges, you can become eligible for a free Microsoft certification. And please note that there is a limit of one per customer and there are terms and conditions. Now here you can also read that depending upon the challenge that you choose, you can also do the following. You can build your own generative AI application. You can work smarter, be more productive and boost your creativity with the AI infused tool. And of course, you can reshape how the users access, manage and act upon the data with a single AI powered platform. And then of course, as you move ahead, as you progress, you can use the enterprise grade AI service from end-to-end machine learning lifecycle. Now friends, let's understand what are the four types of challenge that are given here. First of all, we have Microsoft Fabric, then we have Azure OpenAI, then we have Azure Machine Learning, and lastly Azure AI Fundamentals. So as I said in the opening section of the video, this challenge is not just for the freshers, it is also for the people who have some experience under their belt. And starting with the Microsoft Fabric, here you can read that complete the Microsoft Fabric challenge and become eligible to earn a free Microsoft certification exam. And this part, my friends, is same for every exam. And similarly, we have Azure OpenAI. And here you can read that you have to complete the Azure OpenAI challenge and become eligible to earn a Microsoft certification exam. And similarly, we have Azure Machine Learning. So here you can read all about the Azure Machine Learning. And lastly, we have Azure AI Fundamentals. So I hope, my friends, you're able to distinguish the certification level. And now let's go to the very important and the critical section, that is terms and conditions. Okay, so these are the terms and conditions or the official rules for Microsoft AI Skill Challenge. So here you can read that we have challenge details. Please note that the dates are 19th of March. So this is where the challenge begins at 4 p.m. 1600 UTC. And this will end on April 19, 2024 at 4 p.m. 1600 UTC. Now, I'm sure that you might be thinking that the challenge has already begun and the train is already left. You still have ample of time to complete the challenge and earn a free certification for yourself. And now you can also read that you must provide an email during the registration for the Microsoft Learn AI Skills Challenge. Of course, once you register, you will be contacted via this email address you provide with the free certification detail. Please note that the email address should be correct and you use same email ID for the registration that you're using in your Microsoft Learn profile. And then you have this one which says by completing one challenge within the Microsoft Learn AI Skill Challenge, you will be eligible for one free Microsoft exam certification. Here you can see that you can only claim one offer per person. We already understand that. And here in this point, you can understand if you are a government employee, you have to check with your organization or the government authorities if you're allowed to participate in these kind of challenges. And similarly, my friends, you can read all about these terms and conditions, but this is the most important section here. So as you can see that we have AI 102, which is the associate level exam. We have AI 900, which is the fundamental exam. We have DP 600 and we also have the DP 100. And of course, the standard conditions, how can we forget them? As with all the certification or skill challenges, this offer expiration date cannot be extended in any circumstances. And you should be older than 14 years to participate in the Microsoft Learn Cloud Skill Challenge. And please note, my friends, in case you are from the regions like Belarus, Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Russia, Syria and regions of Crimea, then this challenge unfortunately is prohibited in these areas. And finally, my friends, in case you have any query, any issues related to these challenges, you can always email to challengessupport@microsoft.com. So all your queries and doubts should go to this email ID, my friends.
So friends, I hope you like the Microsoft challenges and will make the best out of it and make a promising career in artificial intelligence. I wish you best of luck for all these challenges, and that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning, and thanks for watching.